Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Fort Worth, Texas, where we are rebuilding a basement, primarily the walls, and putting in an internal drainage system because the walls have failed. For stability purpose, we started on one side. We're going to repair that one side first, and then once it's stabilized, then we will do the back wall, and then systematically we'll move across and replace this wall too. As you can see, the damage. The first wall that was removed was actually collapsing over here, and but over here you can see there was large voids in the wall. See, that's a void, and there's a void right here. So over time you can see it, all of it's just falling in on itself. And this wall has the inflection on this wall is like this. It's just slanted, and when one wall starts literally disintegrating, you can see even the belly. You'll see it. See how the belly's just giving way? You can see the rebar is falling all out. So, but the first thing we did was, after we excavated, was build our own footer. You can see the footer down here. The footers, and then the blocks are sitting on, and then it's all tied in with rebar. What's the difference between a poured wall and center block? Well, the strength is almost identical once you fill up all the courses with concrete, but by code you don't necessarily have to, and that's where everybody began falling by the wayside, because most contractors will only fill up every 2 or 3 cores, and all the rest of them will be empty. That's why you can't just, when you want to relieve the pressure in the wall, you're drilling the holes down at the bottom, because the block is hollow. But not this block. As you can tell, we're using the larger blocks and not the standard 8 by 8 by 16, which means it gives you an 8-inch thick wall. These are 16-inch. So they're really strong, and then we fill them up and then tie them in with rebar in every break. So after that's done, we will waterproof and seal it. But let's move over so you can get a chance to see what the footer looked like, because the footer is massive. Let's get by him here. See it? That's the footer. Because if you don't have a strong footer, you have a very weak wall. All right, let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe, follow, like, or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.